Welcome to SIVASAKTHI's YouTube channel.
Hey guys, if you're feeling overwhelmed by your studies and social life, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing some killer time management tips to help you stay on top of everything. And trust me, they're super easy to follow. First off, let's talk about making a schedule. Get a planner or use an app on your phone. Write down all your classes, assignments, and even your chill time. When you see everything laid out, it's easier to figure out what needs to be done first. SIVASAKTHI, prioritizing KA. Make a to-do list every day. Highlight the most important tasks. Focus on completing those first. This way, you won't stress over last-minute submissions. Next, break down your study sessions. Sitting for hours on end isn't productive. Try the Pomodoro technique, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle and see how much more you can get done. Also, eliminate distractions. Keep your phone on silent or use apps that block social media for a while. Find a quiet place to study. Trust me, you'll stay focused and finish faster. And lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise. A healthy body means a healthy mind, which means you'll be more productive. So there you have it. These tips will help you manage your time better and reduce stress. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy studying.
Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and select all for regular updates to reach you.